everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be doing a review on a new contact lens brand for me, and it's the brand called ICOICE. So I have their box here because I really want to show you guys the packaging inside. But before I do that, I'll just give you guys some quick info and how I found them. So I first found them on Instagram because there's this Instagrammer that I follow that does a lot of like makeup review, but mainly like contact lens try on. I'll put the link down here below as well because she's absolutely gorgeous. So when she tried this contact lens from this brand, it really calls me because I'm like, okay, I think she's half Asian, and I'm like, the color contact lens really complement her eyes. I'm like, I really want to try it because when it comes to like website like this, when you go on it, there's not a lot of like Asian model, so it's really hard for me to relate to the contact lens that they try to promote, if that makes sense. So I tend to stay away like with those websites like that because I can't really justify how it look like on my eyes. But then when I saw she was trying it, I was like, I have to give this a go and give it a try, and that's how I found the brand. The brand itself, ICOICE, was actually founded in 2020, so it's actually pretty new still, so that's probably why. And all of this contact lens are actually made in Korea, but I believe that their office are actually based in Hong Kong because if you look at the contact website, it's actually from Hong Kong, but all of the contact lenses are actually designed and made in Korea, which I thought is actually unique because I do love my Korean contact lenses. In terms of the contact lenses, they sell in daily, monthly, yearly, and they're all like different collections. So for my one, this particular review, I'll be doing a yearly contact lens review. So yeah, I'll show you guys that soon. And I did notice that on their website, they do a lot of like sales and discount, which I like, which is great. I also have a 15% discount code for you guys, which I'm not affiliated, but yeah, I'll put it down in the description box below as well. First, let's talk about the packaging. The packaging is very simple. It's like a cardboard box, and they promote that, you know, they are recyclable and that, you know, they are stylish, sustainable as well. And I love that the brand is like right across the box. Now, when you open this box up, this is what I love. It has the Monstera plant. I love my Monstera plant a lot, so when I saw this, I was like, yes, that's me. I love my Monstera. And I think something dropped. Also comes with this pamphlet, which I thought is stinking cute. I'll show you guys like a close-up as well because I think it's adorable. It has like this cat cartoon and a chick that is trying to wear contact lens, so it's giving you like instructions of how to use the contact lens as well. And I mean, look, she's cuddling her cat right after that. I just think it's so cute. My friend that loves to do drawing, she said this is so like simple yet so amazing, and she just loved the cartoon of it. When you go in, they really pack the contact lens really well. I really want to show you guys the contact lens boxes because I really don't know what to do with it, because I really don't want to chuck it out because it just looks so beautiful. I just want to say that all of the name of the contact lens that you will purchase will be at the bottom of the box, which I didn't get because what I did was I look at the front of the box and I'm like, autumn vibes. I don't think I ordered autumn vibes. So I'm not sure how the name of the contact lens links to the packaging, but I'm just assuming the packaging is just the packaging, it's just the aesthetic. It has nothing to do with the contact lens. But honestly, I love the packaging itself. I love all this nature pictures that they have as well, which I'll show you guys close up. And I love this one, like this floral one is so gorgeous. But yeah, it's just very simple, very minimalistic. And because mine comes in 1 year and my eye power is actually two different ones, they actually put two different of my eye contact in this box here to create a pair, in case you guys are wondering why it's so slim. Another thing I want to show you guys is this bottom products here. Okay, like everything needs close up of this packaging because they are so adorable, you guys. So I'm just picking out all three that I have. And so first, you see this little cartoon here at the front, and it has the name on the top. And what is inside is actually a contact lens case, guys. Like, okay, if you guys are wondering how does this work, which means you put one contact lens on the top and then you screw it back in, and then you put another contact lens on the bottom, and then you just screw it in. But I just thought that this is such a unique contact lens case because I don't have contact lens cases like this, and I was like, I can't help it. I'm just like, it is so adorable. So every single contact lens you buy will come with a contact lens case as well as a tweezer as well. And even the tweezer as well have this like really cute duck on it, and it has this tweezer and like the I don't know what you call it, but the thing that like a suction for the contact lens as well. Yeah, I just have to show you guys what's featured in here because I just think that everything is just very cute for me. Like from the cartoon, and I mean it has boba on this cartoon, like how adorable is that? And my friend did say if this actually comes in a boba shape contact lens case, she was like, this would be really cute. So maybe an idea for ICOICE if you guys are watching this video. Here comes the best part that you guys are interested in. So I'm going to review all of the contact lens now, as well as telling you guys the diameter of the contact lens. I do have to say, I noticed that this contact lenses tend to lean towards the enlargement side, between 14.0 to 14.2 of the ones that I've tried. Like I don't have any contact lens that is below that, so it's definitely leaning towards the larger side. I do however notice that it doesn't feel that enlarging on me. So yeah, so comfort wise it's actually really comfy. I do feel like the contact lens is actually quite thin, however it's actually easy to apply. One thing you just have to be careful is that some of these contact lenses tend to be reversible, which means that you have to be careful how you put it on because it's probably the wrong way around. So definitely look at the design properly, see that it's not too curved, like too of a V shape before you put it in, because obviously that's the wrong side. Some of the contact lenses that have like a more detailed, more design, you can see which one is in and which one is out, but some that is really like subtle looking, it will be a little bit harder. I just thought it's just FYI for you guys. The first one is called Coco Light Green. This one comes in 14.2 millimeter, and I noticed that this one, even though it has the name green, I hardly see any green color, and that's because I felt like it leans towards the gray side. Like I was making lunch and my husband was like, oh, you're wearing a gray contact lens today. I'm like, no, this is actually a green contact lens. So it's definitely a gray contact lens on my eyes. It's definitely very bright on me, and you can definitely see my natural eye color right in the middle, and it has like this dark gray border as well. However, I do feel like this contact lens is definitely quite realistic as well for those people who have color eyes like this. The second one, I can't say the first word and I'm not even gonna try, but I'll put it here, and it's called, this is the Sea Green, and this one is 14.2 millimeter, which is what I'm currently wearing right now. And oh my god guys, like this is like probably my most favorite contact lens from this brand so far, and I just love how this just reminds me of the sea or like the beach, where you get the green and the blue and the waves, like everything just like looks so like nice, like ocean waves for me, and it's just so gorgeous on my eyes. Like I absolutely love how beautiful it is. It just really speaks out to me, and I really feel like it matches to one of the packaging that they have, which is called like Higher Beach. So I'll put like a side-by-side picture for you guys as well, because honestly when I look at this picture, it really reminds me of this contact lens as well. I also like that it has this really nice dark gray black border on the outer part to give that enlargement, which I actually don't mind, because I feel like having that border really emphasizes the inside of the color way more, and I absolutely love it so much. Next one is also by the same, I guess, collection as well, but this is the gray version, and I feel like this is definitely lighter than the green, and this one you can definitely see more of the yellow in the inside, and it looks more like a sun ray pattern, even though it has some of the wave as well. But I feel like this one you see more of the stripiness to it compared to the green one as well. But I definitely love how beautiful it is because it has a combination of light gray and dark gray as well. Next one is called Savage Blue in 14.0 millimeter, definitely smaller than the other ones that I've tried, and this one definitely see way more stripiness than the other three contact lenses that I've tried. This one have like a dark gray blue border as well, and this one you definitely see, instead of seeing stripiness, you know, like right after each other, this one is like layering on top of of each other, which I thought was really unique, because you see a combination of blue and grey and silver, and just imagine just layering on top, on top, on top, on top. That's how I thought it looks like, and it just looked really bouncy, which is amazing. Next one is Savage Grey, so it's the same collection as well, and this one has the same border as the blue, and this one I feel like it has more of like a stone cool tone grey, but feels warm, if that makes sense. And this one you can definitely see more of the yellow tone stripiness to it as well. But if I have to compare this one and the Savage Blue, I would have to say that this Savage Grey is definitely more subtle looking than the blue. The blue is definitely much more brighter, but I feel like the grey is like, if I have to pick one, blue or grey, I would definitely pick them. Last but not least is called Queen 2 Blue, I think, and this one is in the diameter 14.2, and I feel like out of all the contact lens I've tried, this would definitely be the less unnatural contact lens for me, just because I feel like this one didn't have any border. It feels more of like a one-tone color, which is like a aqua neon blue shade for me, which I felt like it just didn't really suit me. I reckon this one would suit with people who have like really nice platinum blonde hair and blue eyes. This would definitely be it, but I felt like for me it wasn't as natural looking as the other contact lens that I tried previously. Overall, these are all of the contact lens I've tried. Now I'm going to rank them from my most favorite to my least favorite. My most favorite would be that one, sea green, and then following to that it would be the sea grey. Then after that I would actually say I would go for the cocoa light green, which is third. For the fourth one would definitely be the Savage Blue. Fifth one would be Savage Grey, and the last one, my least favorite, would be Queen 2 Blue. If you guys have tried this brand, let me know what you guys think. If you guys want me to try more contact lens from this brand as well, definitely comment down below what you guys would like me to try. I'm definitely keen on trying either the daily or the monthly one this time, just to see how it's like in terms of the packaging, how it comes in and all that kind of things, because I feel like it's probably a little bit different too. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.